In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a line graph in PowerPoint 2013 step by step. Whether you're creating a business report, a school presentation, or showing trends over time, line graphs are one of the best ways to display data clearly and professionally. The best part is that PowerPoint 2013 has a built-in chart tool that makes the entire process simple. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint 2013 presentation. You can either create a new blank presentation or open an existing file where you want to insert the line graph. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide where you want the graph to appear. It's usually best to use a content slide layout, so your chart fits neatly into place, but you can insert a chart on any slide layout. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains all the tools you need to add elements like images, shapes, tables, and charts to your presentation. In the Illustrations group, you'll see an option labeled Chart. Click on Chart to open the Insert Chart window. When the Insert Chart dialog box appears, you'll see different chart categories listed on the left-hand side. Since we're creating a line graph, click on Line. On the right side, you'll see different line chart styles available. For example, you can choose a basic line, stacked line, 100% stacked line, or line with markers. If you want each data point to be clearly visible, select Line with Markers, which is a popular and easy-to-read option. Once you've chosen your preferred style, click OK. As soon as you click OK, PowerPoint will insert a default line chart onto your slide. At the same time, an Excel sheet will automatically open. Don't worry, this is completely normal. PowerPoint uses this embedded Excel window to let you edit the data behind your chart. In the Excel sheet, you'll see sample data already filled in. The columns and rows represent categories and data series. To customize the graph, simply replace the sample data with your own numbers and labels. Click on each cell and type in your actual data. For example, you can change the default category names to months like January, February, and March, and then enter your own values in the corresponding cells. As you edit the data in Excel, you'll notice that the line graph in PowerPoint updates automatically in real time. This makes it very easy to see how your changes affect the visual presentation of your data. If you need more rows or columns, you can click and drag the small blue handle at the bottom right corner of the selected data area to expand the range. Once you've finished entering your data, you can simply close the Excel sheet by clicking the X in the top corner. You don't need to manually save anything in Excel because the chart is already linked and updated inside PowerPoint. Now your line graph is ready. You can click on the chart to access the chart tools in the top menu, including design and format options. From there, you can change the chart style, adjust colors, edit the chart title, add access titles, or modify the legend to better match your presentation design. Taking a few extra moments to format your chart can make it look more professional and visually appealing. And that's it. You've successfully created a line graph in PowerPoint 2013. As you can see, it's a straightforward process. Go to Insert, click Chart, choose Line, select your preferred style, replace the sample data in Excel, and close the sheet. Your graph updates automatically and is ready to present. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.